In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to Asana tasks, which is a great way to organize and sort your projects more effectively. Understanding how to utilize tags in Asana can significantly streamline your workflow and make it easier to categorize tasks across different projects. So, let's dive in and start with the list view of your project within Asana. This is where you can see all your tasks laid out in a neat and orderly fashion. Adding a new column here for tags is remarkably straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through the process. The first thing you want to do is look for the plus icon, which you'll find situated right next to the last column of your list. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu of options. From this menu, you'll need to search for tags. Simply type in tags, and it should pop up right away. Once you see it, go ahead and select it. It's as easy as that. This action will automatically create a new column specifically for tags in your list view. You've now laid the foundation for organizing your tasks even more effectively. Now that you have your tags column, let's talk about adding tags to your tasks. This step is as easy as the first. All you need to do is click on the cell within the tags column that corresponds to the task you want to tag. When you do this, a small window will open, allowing you to type in your desired tags. You can create whatever tags are meaningful for your workflow, such as priorities like urgent, or categories like design or marketing. As you type, Asana might even suggest existing tags, saving you time and helping maintain consistency across your project. Remember, using tags isn't just about categorization, it's also about enhancing searchability. With tags, you can quickly filter tasks across your entire project or even your entire organization. This means no more scrolling endlessly to find what you need. Additionally, if you're collaborating with a team, tags provide a visual cue that instantly communicates important characteristics or requirements of a task to all the team members. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add tags to your Asana tasks and leverage the full power of this feature to boost your productivity and help keep your projects organized and in clear focus. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in improving your project management skills in Asana. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy organizing!